Nice 3.0 Mercruiser. We got full electronic ignition. That's nice. This is a good running motor. There isn't one little tick in this engine when it's running. It's so smooth. Let's give her a test run here. Warm her up. You're gonna get it just like you see it. All these parts. Everything on the engine. Does not come with this wire harness. This is our test running harness. But we get in real close. I can't even hear a peep coming out of this engine, not even a rattle. She's a good old 3.0. That was all the way to wide open. She didn't even miss. Yeah, she's ready to go. Check out Green Bay Prop. You get all the best deals. Thanks for watching.